Hey there, do it all 1094 awesomeness unboxing review. I crossed everything out so my information doesn't get out, but I will grab my knife and let's get started. See what I got. Oh snap. No wonder my box was so heavy. I got the dual pack. Little phone case. Code. What's up with this? I already know what this is, but you guys know. I ordered another thing separately from the box. I can get this open with one hand. It's my ghillie suit. See what else I got here on the side. One for Evikes. An extra magazine. Whatever this stuff is. Oh! I got the inner barrel thingy. The Angel Custom. Heck yes. Got another Evikes pen. I got 3 of these now. This is my 3rd box of awesomeness. Whatever this is. Oh, the Swiss pocket tool, whatever. Alright, here's one. And here's number 2. Heck yes. Let's open one of these up. There it is. I kind of always wanted one of these. Now that I have one, I'm pretty happy. Usually this stuff doesn't come with batteries, so whatever. This will actually be very helpful now that I'm a sniper. Can fold the stock, easier to carry around. If you guys want to see a review on these and my ghillie suit, then just leave a comment. Tell me what you want to see. I'll go ahead and do it. Thank you for watching this. This is Do It All 1094 unboxing for a box of awesomeness. Thank you very much.